Welcome back to the channel. Today, we have something truly extraordinary. Right here in this garage sits a Ferrari valued at over $300,000, but it's been completely destroyed in a fire. Burnt panels, melted tires, charred interiors. It's heartbreaking. But what you're about to see is how we take this Ferrari from ashes to supercar glory. I'm Mechanic A1, and I'll guide you through every step of this incredible transformation. The first step in restoring a car like this is understanding the damage. Walking around this Ferrari, you can see that the fire has affected almost every part, from the hood to the tires. Even the frame may have weakened. Every inch is inspected. Engine, suspension, wiring, interior electronics. I take detailed notes and photos. This is the blueprint for the entire restoration. Walking around this Ferrari, you can see that the fire has affected almost every part, from the hood to the tires. Even the frame may have weakened. Every inch is inspected. Engine, suspension, wiring, interior electronics. I take detailed notes and photos. This is the blueprint for the entire restoration. Once the assessment is complete, we start with cleaning and stripping. First, high-pressure washing removes soot, ash, and melted paint. Then every component is carefully removed. Seats, dashboard, wiring. Each piece is examined to decide what can be salvaged and what must be replaced. It's painstaking work, but necessary to rebuild the car properly. At this point, it still looks like a total loss. Next, we move to the Ferrari's skeleton, the frame. This stage is critical. Welding, reinforcing, and straightening are all done with precision. Every weld has to be perfect. Even a small mistake can compromise the entire restoration. Watching the frame take shape again is incredibly satisfying. Sparks fly, metal glows under the helmet light, and slowly, the car starts to regain its strength. With the structure ready, it's time to rebuild the Ferrari's heart, the engine. Every component is cleaned, polished, and reassembled. Pistons, camshafts, turbo components, valves. Precision is key. We test each system: brakes, hydraulics, transmission, and then the moment of truth, the first ignition. Hearing this Ferrari roar again is nothing short of magical. Now comes the visually stunning stage: paint and bodywork, sanding, priming, masking, and spraying the iconic Ferrari red coat. Each layer must be flawless. Polishing reveals curves, reflections, and the deep shine that makes this car a masterpiece. It's a transformation that turns ashes into art. Next, we rebuild the interior. Brand new leather seats, dashboard controls, steering wheel, and touchscreens. Every detail matters, from stitching to placement. The contrast between the burnt interior and the restored cabin is incredible. The car transforms from a mechanical shell into a luxurious supercar experience. With the interior done, we focus on wheels, tires, and final exterior touches. Each wheel is aligned, tires balanced, brakes tested, protective coating is applied to the paint, and every surface is polished to perfection. The Ferrari is almost ready for its big reveal, and the transformation is breathtaking. Finally, it's time for the first drive. The Ferrari rolls out of the workshop, engine roaring, paint gleaming under the sun. Acceleration, braking, handling, every system performs flawlessly. This is the moment when all the hard work pays off. From total destruction to a supercar reborn, this Ferrari now lives again. And there it is, the fully restored Ferrari standing in all its glory. Every scratch, every burnt panel erased. From ashes to supercar, this journey is a testament to skill, patience, and passion. I'm Mechanic A1, and I hope you enjoyed this incredible transformation. Remember, no matter how destroyed something may seem, with dedication and precision, it can always rise again.